This video demonstrates how to remove interning eyelashes. You will need epilation forceps and a torch or slit lamp. Explain what you're going to do and gain consent. Wash your hands and don PPE. If using a slit lamp, make sure the patient is seated comfortably with their eyes at the correct level and their forehead against the bar. You must keep checking that this is the case during the procedure. If using a head torch, then lie the patient down flat, face up. Remind the patient to keep their head pressed backwards against the bed and not to come forward or roll side to side. Now examine the eye, looking for the lashes that are turning in. If the interning lashes are on the bottom lid, ask the patient to look up. Gently pull the lower lid downwards to evert the lid margin. Always initially approach with the forceps using the naked eye before looking in detail with magnification. Once the forceps are in position, use a magnified view and slowly and cautiously move towards the lashes. Grasp the lash close to the base and slowly but firmly pull in the direction it is growing. Try to remove the base of the lash in the follicle, avoiding breaking it off and leaving a short end.